Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by pairing the AirPods Pro with Android. Do that now. Make sure Bluetooth is on, tap the case to enter pairing, and confirm the device in settings. Once paired, you'll use the Bluetooth device menu or a third-party control app to manage sensors. You need a simple app only if native Android options are limited, otherwise continue to the paired device options. This step gets you to the controls where automatic ear detection can be adjusted or emulated. You now go into Bluetooth device details for the AirPods Pro. Tap the device entry, then inspect available toggles. Some Android skins show a sensor or automatic audio switching option. If you don't see ear detection, open the companion app you installed earlier. It can expose ear detection or proximity controls. Once located, toggle the automatic ear detection off. Make sure media is playing briefly to validate behavior changes before moving on. Finish by testing the setting, play music, remove one AirPod, and confirm playback stays on. If it still pauses, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then retest. Make sure the Control app in Android have the latest updates. Sometimes firmware needs an Apple device for changes to stick, so borrow one if required. If problems persist, repair the buds and try again. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the phone after changing the toggle to force the system to apply the new behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.